Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to set wallpaper in Vivo Y53s phone. Guys, you want to set wallpaper, so you can set. In this video guys, I will show you how to set wallpaper. Let's see how to set wallpaper. First of all open your phone setting. Then guys click on lock screen wallpaper. Guys click on wallpaper. So as you can see there are some wallpapers. So as you want to download wallpaper, so as you can download from here, but guys we have some download wallpaper, then guys we will choose it. So example for guys, we will set any wallpaper like that. This wallpaper guys, we will take it. Guys, this you can see guys, lock screen, home screen, and both screens. So guys, we will click on only guys home screen and guys right option. So guys applied successful. So as you can see, wallpaper has set in our Vivo Y53s phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set wallpaper. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you want guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.